to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create sports poster design in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, add a solid color layer. Now select rectangle tool and draw rectangle. Hold Alt to make copy. Select all the boxes and decrease opacity. Now go to Filter. Then go to Filter Gallery. Now select Film Grain. Now add model image. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to open Camera Raw filter. Now follow my settings. The layer. Now doubly click on text layer and then add stroke. Select Brush Tool.